Hello, I am Kobey from Hearns Hobbies, and here I am with some of these. Now, you may be thinking, what are these? And so am I. These are cylinders. But what is in these cylinders? Well, it's a couple of hooligans doing skids. Holy moly, look at that. If I can zoom in on this and get like a really close look, look at these hooligans doing skids. So this is the OZ Wheels 1/64 scale diecast cars. So OZ Wheels are owned by DDA, which do a lot of 124, 132 kits, maybe some 118. Oh, that's a different brand. But they have started making these Hot Wheels sized cars, and as you can see, they have come out with this product called skid cylinders. Now, how cool is that? We have 4 of them at the moment. Well, we have more. There's 4 that have been designed at this point in time. But these skid cylinders come in the 3 Hanful cars, which are the HQ Monaros. So we have the Castrol, we have the OZ Wheels, and then we have the plain one with the stripes. And they come in this really nice packaging that looks like a cylinder head. And these cars have already been released. Oh, that's my head. What am I doing? These cars have already been released, but the main difference with these is, one, you get this really cool packaging. It's about a little bit smaller than my hands. I can wander it around. And you basically get this car doing a skid. So it's a bit off center of the cylinder head. And yeah, it's really, really cool. So as I said, they've released these in a blister pack. But another difference is, if you zoom in here, what's that? You have a couple of hooligan hands. There they are. They are doing burnouts, and they've got their hands out the window going, yeah, come on, faster. How cool is that? So that's those ones. And then we also have the XY Falcon as well. So it's the same thing. It's just in a yellow cylinder. It's called the Minister XY. Minister XY. I'm not sure, but it's in this beautiful yellow color. Got a cool design on there. And then that's it. So you can choose to use these, have these as a collector's item, keep them in the cylinder. You can pop them out, have the pad that they're skidding on. It's up to you, you know. We're not going to open these yet. They're for you to open, but this is them here. These are the 4 designs that they have just released. How cool is that? I want to get them all facing the front. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. Hanful and the XY. Thank you for having a look at these with me today. I'm really happy I've gotten to show these, and I wish you a really good day. Cheers, guys.